Showbiz Tonight can tell you that the case of John Doe number 1, who had dropped his lawsuit against Travolta, seemed to come roaring back today because guess who he's hired as his new attorney? Let's see. Could it be Gloria Allred? Why, yes, indeed. And here's what she told us today. She said, I represent John Doe number 1. Mr. Doe's lawsuit was dismissed without prejudice, which means that he is still legally entitled to file a lawsuit against John Travolta if he chooses. Sunny Hostin's with me in New York tonight. She's a legal contributor for In Session on her sister network, True TV. So it's not over here, Sunny, and we know Gloria's scorched earth, take no prisoners approach to her work. When it comes to these kinds of cases, and you have Gloria Allred now potentially in the driver's seat for a lawsuit, should Travolta be concerned, or has John Doe number 1, Sonny, basically lost his credibility by messing up the dates that he claims Travolta assaulted him?
Yeah, no, I think John Travolta still needs to be concerned because Gloria makes a good point. His lawsuit was dismissed without prejudice, which is legalese for he can file a lawsuit again. And it could just mean that perhaps he got the date wrong. And then that lawyer, his former attorney, lost confidence in his client, lost confidence in the lawyer-client relationship. But that doesn't seem to be the case with Gloria Allred. I think it's also important to note that there have been reports that Gloria Allred has in the past represented other people, AJ, that have accused John Travolta of similar conduct and that those cases were settled. So Gloria Allred has a track record when it comes to this particular set of circumstances. And so I certainly think that this case does not then go away for John Travolta.
Well, you and I have discussed in the past, Sonny, that if you're taking on John Travolta and his very good, very smart lawyer, Marty Singer, you got to have everything together, which John Doe number 1 apparently didn't to begin with. But Allred might have her first challenge because now there are reports that John Doe number 2 sent emails to his bosses seeming to complain about Travolta's behavior, but apparently never mentioned Travolta by name. Travolta's attorney, Marty Singer, just told us this: the allegations in Doe number 2's lawsuit are unraveling, just like Doe number 1's ridiculous allegations, which were proven false and impossible. Sonny, does it seem that way to you?
You know, it's too soon to tell. I mean, certainly John Doe number 2's attorney still seems to have some confidence in his client's version of events. And so I don't know that that case goes away. But I think we were all pretty surprised at what happened with John Doe number 1. I mean, getting the date wrong in a lawsuit is a very significant mistake. So I think, you know, the jury is really still out about all of these cases involving John Travolta. He's still got to defend them.